Hi love, so today I have the Spa Sciences Nano Mister and you can find it on their website for $19.99. Guess what it does? Hydrates your skin, it helps to set your makeup. Also, you can use it for like if you have any sunburns or anything like to soothe your skin. And yes, it has a power bank. You can take it on the go. You can put it right in your purse. It's so small. Let me show you. Okay, so here's the Nano Mister. You see how small it is? So it can literally just fit right into your purse. It has the power bank here. Here's the power on button. And it'll track how moisturized your face is throughout the day. So if you want to just carry it in your purse and mist your face throughout the day, this is what you need. But just pop the top off. Okay, so we're gonna pour the water in and you just fill it there. All right, and we'll put the cap back on. Open the capsule to go ahead and set my face. And it is so refreshing. It's a cool mist. You need this on the go. Y'all better go and get you one of these. Bye.